When a woman notices you for the first time, what exactly grabs her attention? In today's video, we're diving into the 13 things a woman notices in a man at first sight. Whether you're looking to make a better impression or simply curious about what women perceive, these insights will change the way you present yourself. From appearance to body language, these small details can help you stand out. Imagine walking into a room and instantly knowing what women notice about you. Using this awareness to improve your confidence and connections, ready to learn how women perceive you at first sight. Let's explore the 13 things that make a lasting impression. Number 1. Posture. Posture is the silent ambassador of confidence and strength. When a man stands tall with his shoulders relaxed and head held high, he communicates self-assurance and reliability. Women are naturally drawn to a confident presence, and posture plays a pivotal role in creating that impression. Slouching or hunching not only diminishes your height but can also convey insecurity or disinterest. Imagine walking into a room where all eyes naturally shift toward you, not because of what you're wearing, but due to your commanding presence. This is the power of good posture. It's not about looking rigid, but finding the balance between relaxed and poised. Whether sitting or standing, maintaining a straight back and open stance signals that you are approachable, confident, and engaged. Perfecting your posture isn't just good for first impressions, it boosts your own confidence too. Number 2. Smile. A smile is one of the most powerful tools in creating an instant connection. A genuine smile exudes warmth, kindness, and approachability, breaking down barriers without a single word. Women notice this small yet significant gesture because it shows that you're friendly and positive. Picture yourself in a casual setting like a park or cafe. You smile at someone you've just made eye contact with, and they can't help but smile back. This moment isn't just a fleeting interaction. It's the beginning of trust. A forced or insincere smile, on the other hand, can have the opposite effect. Signaling discomfort or dishonesty, practice smiling in the mirror to ensure it feels natural. Remember, a great smile isn't just about your teeth, it's about letting your personality shine through. A confident, genuine smile sets the tone for meaningful connections. Number 3. Eyes. Eyes are often the first feature that captures a woman's attention, as they reveal so much about your emotions and personality. Strong, consistent eye contact can convey confidence, attentiveness, and sincerity. However, avoiding eye contact may suggest nervousness or disinterest. Imagine you're at a party, listening to someone speak. By holding steady eye contact, you signal that you value their words and are genuinely engaged. This simple act of focus makes the other person feel appreciated, leaving a lasting impression. Women also notice the emotional depth in your eyes, whether they seem warm, inviting, or distant. Enhancing this connection through subtle expressions, such as a raised eyebrow or a soft gaze, can make interactions more dynamic and memorable. Maintaining good eye hygiene, like avoiding redness or puffiness, also ensures your eyes project vitality and charm. Number 4. Personal hygiene. Personal hygiene is an essential, yet often overlooked aspect that women notice right away. The way you maintain cleanliness not only reflects your personality, but also shows how much you respect yourself and the people around you. A man with well-groomed hair, clean nails, fresh breath, and a pleasant scent immediately creates a positive impression. Imagine you're on a date, and the woman you're with notices your fresh, minty breath and your neatly trimmed beard. These details, though subtle, show that you take pride in your appearance and are considerate of those around you. In contrast, poor hygiene, like bad body odor or unkempt nails, can leave a negative mark. When you're mindful of hygiene, you're telling women that you value yourself and the experience you're sharing with them, making you more attractive and approachable. It's a small investment for a lasting impact. Number 5. Clothes. The way you dress speaks volumes about your personality, style, and attention to detail. Clothes that fit well and are appropriate for the occasion show that you care about your appearance and take pride in how you present yourself. Imagine you're attending a casual gathering after work, and you've changed into a fitted shirt, well-maintained jeans, and polished shoes. The way you carry yourself in these clothes speaks of your confidence and readiness to engage. When you dress well, it doesn't just make you look good, it also shows that you respect the people and the event. A man who chooses his attire with care conveys that he is thoughtful and considerate, which are highly attractive traits. Dressing for the occasion without overdoing it strikes the perfect balance. Good clothes are an immediate reflection of your style, and women take notice. Number 6. Shoes. Shoes often get overlooked, but they can reveal a lot about your attention to detail, personality, and overall grooming. Well-maintained shoes that complement your outfit show that you care about every part of your look, not just the visible pieces. Imagine you're on a date, And as you sit down, your date notices your clean, polished shoes. This small detail communicates maturity, responsibility, and a sense of style. On the other hand, wearing worn-out shoes or those that don't match your outfit can be a turnoff, signaling neglect or a lack of attention. Whether you're wearing dress shoes, casual loafers, or sneakers, they should be appropriate for the occasion and in good condition. Polished shoes suggest you pay attention to every detail of your appearance, making you stand out and elevating your overall appeal. Don't underestimate how much shoes contribute to a great first impression. Number 7. Voice. A man's voice can leave a lasting impression that extends far beyond his words. The tone, cadence, and clarity with which you speak can convey confidence, warmth, and intelligence. Imagine being at a bar, striking up a conversation with someone you're interested in. Your voice is calm yet firm, clear but not overwhelming. This natural confidence in how you speak immediately draws people in, making you seem approachable and trustworthy. A well-modulated voice shows emotional intelligence and the ability to navigate social interactions smoothly. A high-pitched or overly soft voice, in contrast, may not leave the same impact. Women are especially drawn to men with a strong, steady voice because it signals leadership, empathy, and self-assurance. How you speak influences how you are perceived just as much as what you say. So be mindful of your tone and delivery. A powerful voice can instantly make you more attractive. Number 8. Body language. Your body language is one of the most powerful tools in expressing confidence and openness. It speaks volumes about your intentions, mood, and personality without you needing to say a word. Imagine you're at a social event and you approach someone with relaxed shoulders, hands visible, and a gentle smile. This open, approachable body language immediately signals to the other person that you're comfortable in your own skin and open to communication. Women tend to notice when a man's body language reflects positivity, such as leaning slightly forward during a conversation or maintaining good posture. These subtle cues create an environment of trust and safety. On the other hand, crossing your arms or keeping a stiff posture can indicate discomfort or disinterest. Mastering positive body language shows that you're emotionally present, which makes you more engaging and attractive. Being mindful of how you use your body in social situations can transform the quality of your interactions. Number 9. Perfume. Perfume is often an overlooked yet highly effective way to leave a lasting impression. A well-chosen fragrance can subtly enhance your presence and make you more memorable to those around you. The scent you wear can communicate sophistication, cleanliness, and attention to detail. Imagine being in an elevator, and a woman notices your fragrance as soon as you step in. It's subtle, yet captivating, creating a positive association with you. This small but powerful detail can lead to compliments and spark conversations. Women often associate certain scents with feelings of attraction, confidence, or mystery. Whether you opt for a fresh, citrusy scent or a more earthy, woody fragrance, the key is to ensure it's not overpowering. A good fragrance should linger in the air just long enough to leave a lasting, pleasant memory without overwhelming the senses. When worn appropriately, perfume can amplify your appeal and captivate those around you. Number 10. Smile. A smile is one of the most universal signals of warmth, kindness, and approachability. It's often the first thing people notice when meeting someone new, and it sets the tone for the entire interaction. Imagine entering a room, and you flash a genuine smile as you greet someone. Immediately, you seem more inviting, friendly, and confident. Women are drawn to men who smile, as it conveys positivity and emotional openness. A smile can break the ice, ease any tension, and create an instant connection. A person who smiles is often perceived as more attractive, as it makes them seem approachable and easygoing. On the other hand, a serious or uninviting facial expression can make others hesitant to engage. A smile not only boosts your appeal, but also increases your chances of creating positive and lasting impressions. Remember, a genuine smile goes a long way in making people feel at ease and building rapport quickly. Number 11. Intelligence. Intelligence is undeniably attractive. It's not about showing off how much you know, but rather demonstrating critical thinking, curiosity, and the ability to engage in meaningful conversations. Women appreciate men who can hold an interesting conversation and contribute thoughtful insights. For example, imagine discussing a book or a current event with someone, and your perspective adds depth to the discussion. You don't have to be an expert on every topic, but being able to engage with varying subjects shows that you're open-minded and capable of intellectual growth. Intelligence doesn't have to be about academic achievements. It's about being insightful, resourceful, and aware of the world around you. A man who can think critically, solve problems, and approach life with a sense of curiosity is incredibly attractive because it indicates emotional depth and a well-rounded character. Intellectual engagement keeps conversations exciting and invites further connections, showing that you have more to offer beyond just physical appearance. Number 12. Confidence. Confidence is one of the most attractive traits a man can possess. It doesn't mean arrogance. Rather, it's the quiet assurance that comes from being comfortable in your own skin. Imagine walking into a room and instead of seeking approval, you stand tall, make eye contact, and hold your ground. Confidence is magnetic. It signals that you're self-assured, capable, and at ease with yourself. Women are naturally drawn to men who display confidence because it suggests strength, stability, and leadership. When you're confident, you're not afraid to express your opinions, pursue your goals, or show vulnerability when needed. This balance of assertiveness and openness makes you more appealing on an emotional and psychological level. Confidence also enhances other qualities, such as body language and the way you communicate, creating a sense of security and trust that is crucial for developing deep connections. Confidence is not something you're born with. It's a skill that can be cultivated through practice and self-reflection. Number 13. Kindness. Kindness is perhaps the most attractive trait a man can have. It transcends physical appearance, material wealth, and status, and it speaks to the very core of a person's character. A kind man demonstrates empathy, compassion, and respect for others, regardless of their background or situation. Imagine seeing someone give up their seat on a crowded bus for an elderly person, or take the time to help a stranger. This simple act of kindness reveals more about a person's values and inner beauty than anything else. Women are naturally drawn to men who are kind because it reflects emotional maturity and the ability to nurture relationships. Kindness also shows that you are emotionally aware, selfless, and have a genuine concern for the well-being of others. In relationships, kindness fosters trust, understanding, and a sense of security, making it a foundation for long-lasting connections. Ultimately, a man who treats others with kindness and respect will naturally attract positive attention and admiration. In conclusion, while physical appearance and superficial traits can initially draw attention, it's the deeper qualities that make a lasting impression. Women are attracted to men who are genuine, confident, kind, and able to engage intellectually. By working on developing these traits, whether it's through improving your communication skills, maintaining good hygiene, or demonstrating emotional intelligence, you can significantly increase your attractiveness. Remember, attraction is not a one-dimensional concept. It's about being well-rounded, considerate, and constantly evolving as a person. When you invest in these qualities, you'll not only become more attractive to women, but also cultivate a stronger sense of self-worth and fulfillment. Keep in mind that the key to attraction lies not just in physical appearance, but in how you carry yourself and the way you treat others. Now that you know the 13 things a woman notices at first sight, you can use these insights to make a lasting, positive impression. From your posture and smile to your energy and humor, these small details can make a huge difference in how you're perceived. Remember, it's not about perfection, but about presenting your best self with confidence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and comment below. And of course, subscribe for more tips on relationships and personal growth. See you in the next video, and stay confident.